Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I'm Mrs. Afshin Imran. Students, are you hearing me? Please reply so that I can understand, and then I will start my lecture. Okay, you all are here. Welcome you all here again. Today I'm going to start my literature, English literature subject. Very good of you. You all are here. Okay, I'm going to start my literature topic today. We have done previously only language. Now we are going to start literature today. Okay, I want to show you your book first. Here you can see that it is your textbook. The name is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, it is written by Mark Twain, and it is from Oxford Progressive English Readers Level 3. I think most of you have purchased this book. Now this is your exercise book, or you can simply say it the copy. It is your English text copy, and you can take it from the school, and it contains 300 pages. The most important thing, the most important note which you should do or which you should write, your roll number on the top of your copy. Remember to write your roll number, that roll number which has been given from the result pack with the result packs. So please write your roll number on the top of your copy in bold letters, or you can say that with black bold marker. Okay, so that it can be your roll number or your name can be identified easily. Now I'm showing you the index page and the title page. Okay, you have already used the copies before, but I want to show you again. When you open your copy, you will find the index page. Okay, it has many columns: serial number, date, topic, teacher signature, and parent signature. Okay, so you have to fill the first three columns: serial number, date, and topic, according to the work we will do, and we will give you the assignments. So date wise you will fill the index. Okay, now this is the title page. Title page means when you start a new topic or a new lesson English literature, you will have to make the title of that lesson, and this title page comes after the index. Okay, the first title page is for the first lesson. Now I'm going to start my lecture 1 of literature. I'm reminding you again that you should be here at least before 10 minutes before the start of the lecture, so that you will not miss any part of the lecture. Now, the lecture 1 is actually about the introduction of your book of your novel, of the story, and of the characters. I am giving you the introduction about everything in this lecture. Now, first of all, I am giving you the introduction of the writer. Okay, writer name I have already told you, Mark Twain. Here you can see his picture also. Mark Twain was an American writer, humorist, publisher, and lecturer. He belonged to America and he was humorist. Humorist means his books are having a lot of fun as well. Publisher, he published the books as well. And lecturer, he was teaching somewhere. Okay. He was called the greatest humorist. Greatest humorist means from some of the people who are very much famous in their humor, he was one of them. He was born on November 30th, 1835 and died on April 21st, 1910. It means now we are in 2020. It was very much earlier. His stories and novels are famous for their details and memorable characters. Most of his stories have some characters which can be memorized by the people who are reading their stories because these are very famous and their background or their life history, they can be given in a lot of details, and because of that fun is also there, so people can memorize his characters. I have written the names of some of his famous novels. Okay, the first one is your textbook, actually, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The second one is The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. And the third one is The Mysterious Stranger. These are only some of his famous novels, but there are many more. Now we come to the introduction of the novel. That means your novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer paints a peaceful, beautiful, and perfect picture of boyhood life, adventures, and growing up memories of Mark Twain. Actually, this story is about a boy, Tom Sawyer. Actually, Mark Twain wants to write his own story, and he has written most part of his life in this story, like his boyhood life, like the adventures of his life, and growing up memories. He did not try to write an autobiography. Autobiography means a book written by a person himself about his own life. Okay? But Mark Twain has not written the autobiography. It means The Adventures of Tom Sawyer was not an autobiography, but many of the characters in the novel are based on the people he knew and met during his life. Actually, much part of the novel is based on the adventures and boyhood life. So these resemble the life of Mark Twain, and because many of the characters he took in the book, the uh, whom these people Mark Twain already met and he knew them actually. So he added those characters in the novel. Now we come to the main characters. You should know that when there is a novel, many characters are there, a particular story is there, and the characters, I'm discussing the main characters here because there are many characters, almost At least 15 to 20 characters are there in the novel, but there are some main characters who have got the particular role, okay, or you can say the main role in the novel. So I'm discussing the main characters first. The first one is Tom Sawyer. The story is based on his life actually. Tom Sawyer. Next character is Huckleberry Finn. Next character is Becky Thatcher. Next is Injun Joe. And next is Aunt Polly. Please listen to me very carefully how I am pronunciating their names. Okay, like Tom Sawyer, very easy. Huckleberry Finn, Becky Thatcher, Injun Joe, Aunt Polly. You can see that aunt is written here, so it is aunt, not auntie. Okay, remember this thing. Now I want to discuss these characters one by one. I have attached pictures of these characters here so that you will have more interest. This is the picture of Tom Sawyer. You can see that he's eating an apple here. Now I'm telling you about Tom Sawyer. He was a mischievous boy. Mischievous means very naughty and did not care about other people and did not want to listen anybody. Mischievous boy, and wanted to lead a carefree life. Actually, he wanted that no one would interfere in his life and he wanted to do whatever he wanted. Actually, his behavior or his mischievousness or wanted to lead a carefree life, there uh, is a reason behind all these things, because he had no parents to look after him. Actually, his parents died, and because of that, he became so much mischievous. He lived with his Aunt Polly. Okay, Aunt Polly was actually the sister of his mother. So he lived with his Aunt Polly because his parents had died. He was adventurous by nature. He wanted to do excitement and he wanted to take part in many adventures. And you can, when you will read the novel, you can see that many of the adventures he took part in the adventures, and how he would handle the adventures. You can see that, or you can read in the novel. He did not want to go to school. Actually, he was a boy of at least 12 to 14 years of age. At this age, most of the children go to school, so he has to go. But he did not want to go to school because he was adventurous and he wanted to spend his time in different things, but not going to school. He did not want to go to church as well. He was Christian, but he did not have any interest in his religion and he did not want to go to church as well. He loved fishing and swimming. He loved to go for fishing and swimming. He had a strong moral conscience. He was very much active in his mind and he was very much sharp. I think you have understood a lot about Tom Sawyer, and I can say that Tom Sawyer is the hero of the novel because the whole story is based on Tom Sawyer. His full name is Thomas Sawyer, but he was called Tom, particularly by every person in the novel, and you can say that it is a nickname of Thomas Sawyer. Now we come to the second character of the novel. It was also a main character. His name was Huckleberry Finn. This is the picture here. Huckleberry Finn, his name is also used in the short form in the novel as a nickname like Huck. Okay? Huckleberry Finn was very rude, wild natured, and lazy. Kindly, students, turn off your videos. Huckleberry Finn was actually a friend of Tom Sawyer, but he was very rude, wild natured, and lazy. He did not want to do anything. He was not so much interested in different things, and he possessed very bad habits. He lies, he cheats, and steals. Another thing which I want to tell you that he had possessed these bad habits because of a reason that he was a motherless boy. It means his mother died and his father was always drunk. Actually, his father was alive, but he was always drunk. And because of that, his nature has been changed and he became rude. And no one looked after him. There was no mother and his father was drunk, so no one was there in his home, or you can say with him to look after him. And because of that, he led a carefree life. No one was there to tell him what was right or what was wrong. And because of that, he led a carefree life. Everybody, or every child in that area, they like to live like Huck because no one was there to interfere or to scold him or to interfere in his matters. He was a good friend of Tom Sawyer. Now we come to the another character, Becky Thatcher. Becky Thatcher was actually the school fellow of Tom Sawyer, and she was a very pretty girl. She was very loving by nature, and as well as she was very much friendly by nature. Because she was friendly and loving, so she had many friends. She was the daughter of Judge Thatcher. She was class fellow of Tom Sawyer, and she was a very much good friend of Tom Sawyer. So both of them promised each other, and she promised Tom to be his lifelong friend so that they will become friends forever. Now I come to another character whose name was Injun Joe. Now you can see his picture here. He was actually a very clever person. Injun Joe was a very clever person. He was very dishonest as well as he was very wicked. You can understand from his qualities that he was a very bad person. He was also a thief and murderer. He murdered somebody. When you read the novel, you can see that what happened and how he murdered a person and what happened after that. He was motivated to take revenge. Revenge, it means that whenever a person did something wrong with him, he wanted to take revenge and he wanted to do something in uh, uh, with them because he did not like any person to do wrong with him. He was very hateful. He hated his enemies and he was evil criminal because he was a thief as well as a murderer. He was a very wicked and criminal. Now, simply we can say that he was the villain of the novel. Okay, I think you all know about the villain. That means he was the worst person in the novel. Now I come to another main character, Aunt Polly. You can see her picture here. If you remember, Tom was living with his Aunt Polly because he had no parents. She was actually Tom's aunt as well as guardian because she was the person who was looking after Tom. She was very simple lady as well as kind-hearted woman. She was very kind and she looked after Tom very carefully. She wanted the best for Tom. She was very disciplined and dutiful. She was very well disciplined and she knew her duties and she fulfilled her all responsibilities and duties very well. She was very loving and caring. But Tom played tricks on her. Tom did not like Aunt Polly to scold him or to interfere in his matters, and because of that, he played tricks on her. He, at different times, he played tricks or he disturbed Aunt Polly whenever she wanted to tell her some good things. Tom did not like and played tricks on her. Now, these are all about some main characters of the novel. Okay. Now, I am telling you about some of the other characters. But before that, I want to tell you the background of the story, that actually there was a village, St. Petersburg, and all these people are living there. Tom was living with his Aunt Polly, and Tom was living with his brother Sid and sister Mary. Okay, so all these four people are living in the same house, and Huck, he did not have any particular home, so he lived somewhere else or on the in the barrel sometime, on the doorstep sometime. Okay, and the other people like Becky Thatcher, his her family, she was the daughter of Judge Thatcher, so his family, another family, Harper's family, and many other people were living in the village which is known as St. Petersburg. Now I come to the other characters. I want to tell you particular things or main things about these characters one by one. Sid. Sid was the brother of Tom. Okay. Mary, sister of Tom. They all lived together with Aunt Polly. Another character is Judge Thatcher. He was actually the judge in St. Petersburg. I have already told you that St. Petersburg was a village and it was near Mississippi River. Next, Mrs. Thatcher. She was actually the wife of Judge Thatcher, and I have already discussed about Becky Thatcher, who is the daughter of Judge Thatcher. And there is another family in the village, Harper's family. Mrs. Harper was another character. She was the mother of Joe Harper. Joe Harper was another child there, and he was actually the friend of Tom. I have discussed three friends of Tom: Huckleberry Finn, Becky Thatcher, and Joe Harper. Okay, so you should keep or you should remember all these characters in your minds. Now, another character is Widow Douglas, and she was the widow of a person whose name was Douglas. Widow is actually means a lady whose husband is died. Okay, or whose husband is dead. So she was called the Widow Douglas. Muff Potter, another person here, another character, Muff Potter, he was a drunk man. He was a person who was always drunk in the village. And there is another person, Dr. Robinson. He was the doctor in the village. And there is another person whose name was Spaniard. He was the friend of Injun Joe. If you can see here, he was the friend of Injun Joe. It means he was also a villain in the novel because he was helping Injun Joe in different bad things or different kinds of crimes. Now, I have discussed about the characters, about the novel in this lecture. So, I want to give you a review here. This is lecture 1. I have told you about your textbook and exercise book. You can take it, and when we will give you the home assignment, you will start in the copy in very neat and clean handwriting. And I have already told you that you will have to write the questions with the black fountain pen or black pointer, and you will write the answers with blue fountain pen. And remember, you are in 6th class now, you are allowed to write with the pens. One more thing, don't use black markers or cut markers. Remember this thing, don't use blue markers, don't use any color pencils here in your copies. Make the index according to the date, according to the work. This is the first lecture of literature, so I am giving you the introduction. The writer was Mark Twain. He wrote the novel. His picture is there, you can see that. And he was actually a famous humorist. And some famous novels were Adventures of Tom Sawyer, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, and The Mysterious Stranger. Now, I have given you some of the introduction of the novel. Actually, the novel is based on the story of Mark Twain himself. He has written about his boyhood life in the story of Tom Sawyer, but it is not an autobiography. I have already told you that it is not the autobiography, but many of the characters are resembling the people whom Mark Twain met in his own life. After that, I have discussed the main characters. I am repeating or I'm giving the review because many of the people are very much late. So please join the class at least before, you should be here before 10 minutes so that you will not miss any part of the lecture. Please join on time. Some main characters are there: Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn, and Becky Thatcher, Injun Joe, and Aunt Polly. We have discussed about Tom Sawyer, that he was a mischievous boy and wanted to lead a carefree life. He did not want to go to school as well as church. Then another character, Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry Finn was very rude. He was the friend of Tom Sawyer. His mother was died. His father was drunk. Next is Becky Thatcher. She was a very good friend of Tom, and she was very loving and friendly by nature. She was also a class fellow of Tom. Then Injun Joe. I have discussed about Injun Joe. That was the most wicked person in the novel, and he was actually the villain of the novel. Now, the next character we have discussed is Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly was actually the Tom's aunt and guardian. Tom was living with Aunt Polly. She was very simple, kind hearted, as well as dutiful lady. Now we have discussed some other characters. The brother of Tom, Sid, Mary, sister of Tom, Judge Thatcher, Mrs. Thatcher, Mrs. Harper, Joe Harper, another friend of Tom, Widow Douglas, the lady who was the widow of a person Douglas, Muff Potter, a drunk man, Dr. Robinson, who was the doctor, and a Spaniard, who was the friend of Injun Joe. So please, 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 you should read the novel and start. We will start in the next lecture. We will start the lesson number 1. So try to read the novel or read lesson 1 so that you can understand about the characters, and I will upload the video of this lecture or in the YouTube channel and upload the link on the Google Classroom so that you will get the lecture from there. Now it is the time for you people. If you want to ask any question, please write here. Okay, whenever I upload the homework, then I will upload the index pattern as well. So please see the index from there, and you will get the home assignments to do in the copies, and index pattern will be shown on the Google Classroom as well. If you have any other question about the novel, yes, from today I'm giving you the written homework. Okay. If you want to ask anything, ask me. Have you understood today's lecture, or do you like these characters? When you read the novel, then you will see that it is a very interesting novel, and you can take a lot of interest. You will like it. Okay, do you like the class? Very good. I have already told you to rename your IDs in the Google Classroom. Some of you are still coming with the other names. So please, please, please come with your real IDs so that there will be no problem in marking your attendance. When your real name is not there, we have a lot of problem in marking your attendance. So please show your real names. If you have got any question, please ask me. Some of you are still, again, you are late here. Miram, do you have any questions? Please ask if you have got any questions. You will have to rename your ID on the Google Classroom because some of you have not written your real names there. Any problem? If you want to ask any, Soha, please, if you have got any problem of net connection, please be take care of it because it will miss, you can miss the part of the lectures. Almost 2 minutes are left. If you want to ask any more thing, please ask me. Some of you are again late. Now we have discussed about the introduction of the novel today, the introduction of the writer, as well as the introduction of the characters. Now we will start the lesson number 1, Bad Tom, from the next class, that is on Friday. So try to read the lesson before that so that when I will explain it, you will understand easily. Okay? Only 1 minute is left. Do you want to ask any other thing? Okay. It means you have understood everything very well. Read about the characters. These are some of the points which I have told you about different characters. You can easily do the character sketch of different characters by using these points. And one more thing I want to tell you, that you can collect the points about people, about different people, and then you can write their character sketch. Many of you are very much late here. Now I'm ending my lecture here. Okay, we'll meet inshallah on